Are you searching for the best vacuum sealers? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best vacuum sealers in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Seatao VH5188 Vacuum Packing Machine. Built-in cutter and storage multifunction. Double pump and double heating wire. Seatao 55188. Built-in very high-quality double vacuum pump support 90 kPa suction to ensure maximum air extraction when sealing larger food items. Double heat seal provides added strength for liquid-based or moist foods. It provides high-efficiency vacuum and reliable consistent sealing. Keep your food stays fresh and flavorful. Built-in bag storage and cutter. This machine built-in bag storage which can store rolls and bags easy, and the bag cutter can create custom-sized bags without using scissors. Includes 2 PCs rolls and 1 extra form gasket. One-hand operation and locked handle design. One-handed operation lets you easily lock the lid with a simple turn compared to other competitive units that require considerable force with one hand to close and lock the lid. One-press vacuum sealing. Vac and seal button allow you to complete the vacuum requirements of all kinds of foods just by pressing a button. Also, the special pulse button can manually control the vacuum pressure. Meet your needs for sealing different foods. Preserves taste and nutrients. Confidently store fresh fruits, vegetables, cuts of meat, fish, and more. When air is removed from the bag and finished with an airtight vacuum seal, food is protected from the deteriorating effects of air, which causes freezer burn and spoilage.